Hi, crafty friends. Lacey the Cheeky Bum here, and I have another haul for you. So, the newer Craftsmith paper pads went on sale. Today is Friday, the 12th. I don't even know what day. No, it's like the 20 something. I don't know why I said the 12th. Don't listen to me. I'm not 100% sure what day it is, other than it's Friday. These went on sale this week. They are normally $11.99, which is up from last year when they were $6.99. Or $9.99, sorry. $9.99. They are now $11.99. And I figured when they went on sale it was going to end up being $5.99 or $6.99, but they are still only $4.99 when they go on sale. So that's a really good deal. I have already hauled and done a flip through of the Book Club one. I did purchase another one of that because I love it so much. So I'm not going to do a flip through of that one. But I got 3 other new ones. I just got 2 2 of these fancy ones and then 1 solid. Gosh, I don't know. It's a little late. I usually do my videos earlier in the day when I am fresher, but there was a couple that I didn't get, and now I'm like, oh, I might have to go back. I don't know if the sale ends tomorrow, Saturday, or if it'll go another week, but they'll go on sale again. I'm not too worried about it. There was a lemon one, which was Dolce something, Dolce V. I don't remember, and I wanted that one, but my Michaels did not have it. There is like a gardening one, like a sprout. I think it's called Sprouts and Seeds or something. I didn't get that one, but I just watched Shanita, who has planned to play, do a flip through of that one. And now I think I need to go back and get that one. Also, Leave It to Lisa hauled a couple ones that I didn't get. She got the Swan one that I passed on. I didn't even flip through it, and I should have, because that one's actually really cute and I might need that one. So I don't know. But these are the ones I got. I got this Take Notes one, and this gives me very like Bridgerton vibes, and that's probably what I will do with this one. But I liked it so much. So this one has wax seals. I really like the color palette as well. It's very kind of jewel tony, like that. Then we have just a dotted paper. We have, so there is script on here. No, yeah, it's very light script. I don't know if you can see it or not, but we have this like turquoise page. We have your strips page, which I love making belly bands and stuff out of this one, but you could cut this out and do like a wax seal with like clear wax on these as well. This would be cute. I really like these. I just like this. I really like this. And then we have this. It, like I said, it's giving very wallpaper, but it gives me like kind of Bridgerton vibes. So we have this checked page, but it is like a filigree kind of check. We have this kind of like a faux seal type of page as well, but florals. Look at this floral page. I love this like cornflower blue. It is so pretty. All of these pretty flowers, gold accents. We have this pale purple floral and polka dots. We have this, which would be cute, especially in an album. Like I'm thinking like Bridgerton type of album. I don't know. That's what it's given me, but I really like it. Then we have this, which is definitely giving me wallpaper, but so pretty. More dotted pages. We have like this type of page. I probably wouldn't, I don't know what I would do with this one, but you could really cut out these things. Junk journal, definitely. That's what it's giving me, more junk journal vibes. I don't really care for the hyper realistic photos that much. They're just not my favorite pages, but this one is better than some of them I've seen. We have this one. This would be great for like a reading journal as well. Like if you were to do like a reading journal, a reading notebook, reading album, I think this paper pad would be really good for it too, without it being like in your face book. Or if you're just, you know, junk journaling, this could be like a journal entry area. I have this dark green again, but in like the seal page, but like the faux seal page, just in that dark green tone on tone. This floral frame page. I'm trying to get in frame. I have stuff on my desk. We have this envelope page, again, hyperrealism, but I actually don't mind this page. I think it's kind of cute. We have this is like that pale purple page that has the little flowers and polka dots on it. This floral paper, so cute. We have another checked page, but this one has like a gold accent, so you can see the like filigree pattern a little bit better. Another of the faux wax seal, but in blue tones. We have like a library type of, or ledger type of page. This is script again, but purple on purple tones. Floral. This kind of just a green page, but still cute. That's the end of it. But I thought that this was cute for $4.99. I don't think you can really beat them. So they're good. And then I had to get this Westward Drift. Again, I like cowgirl stuff, and I like this color palette. It's something a little different that we haven't seen. I'm itching to do more cowgirl stuff. I haven't done anything since my last one-on-one, which was due back in July, but I didn't send it to my partner until September. So, and that was very pink cowgirl. So I kind of like this, more of a neutral, like toned. So we have this floral, which is like almost like a pale pinky brown with brown on top. It's like a peachy brown. I don't know. It's not coming across on video very well, probably because it's dark and I don't have natural light coming in. But it's like a peachy brown. Look at this like denim kind of stitched pattern. Is so cute. Love that. The striped kind of reminds me of like striped sheets. My grandma had some. Then we have this little pair of boots and the copper horseshoe. And then we have this like dusty blue with a copper horseshoe. It's so cute. And then this is giving me very much the Hobby Lobby paper pad that's pink and like orange, the pink and orange one, but like in neutral tones. I swear it's like the same pattern. I don't have that one handy, of course, but it's very similar. Very similar, but of course neutral toned. And then this page is so cute. It's little florals and little handkerchiefs in different patterns. So cute. And then this is kind of like a linen kind of page. I mean, it doesn't feel like that, but it's supposed to be like texture of one. And then we have a more like wallpaper type of print, but it is brown and creams. And then we have another like linen looking page, but with itty bitty horses. It's so cute. Then we have this blue pinstripe page. Look at these. Oh, you can see the little handkerchiefs a little bit better. We have some paisley. We have stars. Born to be Wild. This is really, really cute. I really like this. Rootin' Tootin'. Oh, that is so cute. And then this has like a stitched starburst / flower type. I'm not quite sure. Look at this paisley page. It has a little bit of copper in there. It's so pretty. The cut aparts are really cute. Oh, I love this so much. This is really cute. Oh, I just want to play. And then we have floral. This is just a cream, like faux linen type of page. And then we have like it's like a peachy brown. I don't know exactly how to explain this color, but it's like that stitch pattern again. It's like I don't want to say it's orange, but it's not really peach and it's not really brown. It's like somewhere in between. We have this handkerchief page, which is adorable. These are really cute as well. More of that like wallpaper type of page. And then a blue handkerchief page. And then these stitch cut aparts. These are so cute. It'd be really cute if you actually, I think you could stitch along these stitches with thread. Oh, that would make it look so stinking adorable. Yeah, that's the last page. I love this. I love this a lot, and I haven't seen anybody else flip through this one. So yeah, I really, really like this. I like the tones of it. So if you like cowgirl stuff, we have all those cowgirl dyes and stuff. Let's use them. This is the solids. I do get these when they come out because it's a good price for 48 sheets. I mean, I would not like make an album or anything out of this, but like if you're layering it up, I think you'll be fine. I've used this for like card layers and stuff. It definitely has to be layered up because it is just like a 65 pound, but it has a nice light texture. It's not heavy textured. But you get this bright yellow. So this is definitely like a more summery than springy. And usually the spring paper pads are my favorite. It is definitely more summer. So we have this bright pink. I feel like this pink we've seen in the last year's summer. Because it's a very like a watermelon page. We have this pale pink. We have this other shade of pink. This is a cooler pink. This is a warmer pink. Like bubblegum pink, like Pepto pink. We have this lilac, which is definitely like more springy. We have this like powdery blue. This turquoise, we've seen this turquoise color. I think this was in last year's spring. I don't think it was in summer. It might be. It was in spring or summer, but we've definitely seen this is a repeat color, which I think I've used almost all of mine because this is a color I use quite a bit. And then we have this very like vivid grass green. I do think, I don't know if every single color if it's spot on or not, but it is very similar to the color palette of the book club paper pad. Usually the solids will mimic or be very compatible to at least one of the other paper pads within the collection that they put out. Like in the fall, they had a fall bookish one, like cozy reads. That was pumpkins and books and florals, and that solid matched that paper pad. So yeah, so that is my Michael's haul. I didn't pick up anything else. I just went in there to grab the papers. That's all I really needed. I haven't really dabbled in my Valentine's stuff too much. I'm trying to finish up another swap and my favorite thing, swap and do some Scrap Diva projects. So I haven't really dabbled into my Valentine's too much, but I probably will this weekend. It's gonna be cold and I'm just gonna be in my craft room for days. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will link all of the paper pads down below. I'll go on to Michael's and link them all for you guys. But I hope that you're able to get them. Hopefully the sale will continue through next week. Sometimes when they do them, sometimes it's only 1 week. Sometimes they'll run it for 2 weeks. But if you don't catch the sale, they will go on sale again. They always do. So happy Friday, and I hope you guys have a great weekend and stay warm.